Hello guys, I just wanted to make this short video on how I can show you the analytics for Blogger. So this will be a short video blog updates on the blog Vendor IT Solutions or website. So as you can see in the last since I started the blog in 2021, as you can see, January 2021. It's been 6 years, it means that. So until January 2026 now, as you can see, if you can change here, like you can see the views from the last 12 months, 6 months, 3 months, 30 days, 7 days, and the last 24 hours, and even now. So let's start maybe taking things down a little bit. I'll start by showing you like my all-time referrals. As you can see that I'm getting more referrals, 18.2k from Facebook. Google is referring my content for about 5.31k, and again Meta Facebook 4.68k. Then you can see Yandex, Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, and so on. You can see how many I'm getting. So the top referring URLs, yeah, it's the same as before, what we just previewed before. There's no much bigger difference between this and that. The audience is okay. How many people are browsing the website using Chrome, mobile, Firefox, MSIE, Safari, Dalvik, Samsung browser, headless Chrome, mobile, Safari, CryOS, Opera, FX iOS, Netfront, LinkedIn app, Conqueror, Vision, Nokia browser, Aurora, Komodo Dragon, and others more, as you can see. So page views by operating system, like which version or what kind of device you're using: Android, Windows, Macintosh, iPhone, like that, and so on. So you can see that many people are still browsing using Android, which is 83.9k, and Windows is less. It's actually half the deficits of Android, which is around 42.3, and Macintosh is around 17.1k. The people who are using iPhones, who are browsing, like 7.4k, that's massive, and Linux 6.35k, that's also massive. Unix 3.11k, which is still not bad. Then we come to search keywords, you can see Vendor IT Solutions is at the top, even though it's saying page views too, like that's the whole blog. So yeah, mostly it's saying people are getting recommended search keywords from this page, 2 page views on Vendor IT Solutions. Top locations, as you can see, at China we have 278. What? Really? This China. China is 15,908 views or visitors. As you can see, United States still leading with 55.3k views or page views. Top locations, wow, that's great. South Africa is the second on the list, then China, Ireland, Sweden, Netherlands, Germany, Singapore, United Kingdom, France, India, Iran, Australia, Brazil, Canada, Mexico, Hong Kong, Argentina, Vietnam, and others more. So let's go back so that we can dial this down so that we can see in the last, let's start with 7 days. So in the last 7 days, as you can see, I've been doing 2.69k views. You can see my top referrers, and then yeah, thank you, that's great, that's great. Then as you can see, everything is laid out that you can see in the last 7 days. So it's not so bad. It's not so bad. So let's switch in the last 24 hours and say how many per day. So per day, actually, we are having 111 views in percentages, which is 100%, which is great. Let's say, yeah, I think still it's gonna say, you see, it's saying 1% from Biscorp, things like that. So if I say all time, the top referrals, and then I said percentage, you can see how it places the percentages. It's not the same when it's like one referral. You see, it can isolate the percentages. So that's that. So now we only have 6 viewers, and top referrals page views is 6. As you can see, Linux is 1, Windows is 4. And we are talking about things that are happening now. So you see, China, there are 2 people in China in my website at the moment, or who just visited my website. One in Saudi Arabia, Venezuela, one in Venezuela, one in South Africa. Possibly it could be me or maybe someone else. One other, which I don't know who that is. So it's simple how to get adapted to analytics. So by the way, guys, I'm gonna leave you here. I hope we still gonna continue with this regarding that, or there's more information like based on this blog. Also, actually on Blogger itself, there's a lot you can do with Blogger. I mean, like, I'm grateful that I got exposed to this information earlier. As you can see that I started my blog in 2021. So thank you guys for watching, and thank you for taking this short little preview for 10 minutes. Thank you. Goodbye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment so that we can give you more content that is related to what you need. Bye.